Welcome to Cutekitchen 37 series wardrobe and loft assembly series. This is a 7-door wardrobe, like 3 doors will come for the loft and 4 doors will come for the wardrobe. The wardrobe and loft are totally 2 separate pieces. It can be separated, it can be kept together, it can be kept separately also. First we will look at the assembly of wardrobe and then the loft. So the manual will be coming like this along with the box, but still this video will help you how to assemble. So the manual will be carrying the numbers, part numbers will be there. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 19 pieces will be coming for the wardrobe. Let us start with the assembly with piece number 1. So take piece panels 1 and 2. This is panel number 1 and this is panel number 2. Keep the panel 2 on the floor and connect the panel 1. The minifix wherever it is given, it has to be tightened. Wherever the bush is there, white bush, keep the bolt pin and insert it. Take panel number 3, fix it with the panel 2, half tight. Take panel number 4 and connect it with panel number 1 and panel number 3. For the minifix installation, there is a separate video, you can go through it. Wherever white bushes are given, tighten the black pin. This installation might require 2 people because the loft wardrobe has to be kept above the wardrobe. It will be heavy enough, so take 2 people. If you are not able to assemble, take the help of a local carpenter, and you may also show the video to me. Take the panel number 5, and insert in the panel number 4. Tighten it. Now take panel number 7, which is the top panel. It can be assembled like this. Slightly incline the panel and then connect it with panel number 4 and panel number 2. It's all made in CNC machine, so the assembly should be taking very less time. So half an hour maximum it will take. Now take panel number 15. This is a skirting piece. Keep it like this. The doubles will be there. That's all. Now take panel number 6. The frame is ready now. Now the back panel has to be connected. Now take back panels 8, 9 and 10. So insert the wooden dowels like this, wherever required. Wooden dowels are like that. You have to insert the wooden dowel, connect it with the box. 8 and then over that 9. And then 10. Now tighten all the screws. And unifix. Turn the cabinet for door assembly. Door and shelves can be assembled once the cabinet is made straight. Gently turn it. 2 people might be required. Won't be that much heavy. Take care of it. Yes. Keep the table in. Wardrobe in upright positions. Keep the wardrobe in location where you need to keep the wardrobe. Keep the wardrobe in location and then start the shelf and door assembly so that the level will not change. And after fixing the door, if you move the cabinet might get damaged, the doors might get damaged. So don't do, and the wardrobe also will be heavy. So keep the wardrobe in position and then start the next portion. These are shelf supports. Shelf pin or shelf support. 4 pins will be coming for each shelf. So insert the shelf pins like this and then fix the shelves. 11, 12, 13, 14 are shelves. Gently get the shelves. Take the hanger rod fitting and fix the hanger rod fitting to this location. Take the doors 16, 17, 18, 19 and the hinges has to be fixed in all doors. Then screws are given, tighten the screws. Gently tight to hand tight. So whenever you are fixing the doors, if you find a gap, the gap can be adjusted with two adjustment mechanisms. You want to raise the height and you want to reduce the gap or increase the gap, these screws can be adjusted and it can be used. Now let us start the door fixing. One is a double color door. First fix 2 screws to each hinge and then fix all the hinges, all the screws. Each hinges carries 4 screws. next door. Similarly, fix all the 4 doors. Leave a small gap between the doors. Small gap is required for the doors to move. Fix only 2 screws initially. These are given for adjustments. When you find an irregular gap, it can be adjusted by the hinges adjustment mechanism. The gap will get reduced. Uniform gap. Okay. Fix the hanger rod and the wardrobe will be, handles has to be fixed like this. The lock and the lock plates. Only the lock plates are fixed. The wardrobe will be locked. Remove the hanger rod and fix it. Hanger rod is over. Wardrobe is now complete. Now let us fix the loft box. Take panel number 21. Take panels 20 and 21. Take the panel. Twenty-three is a small panel. Take the top panel and connect it this way. Put the color panel, border panel. Tighten the nails. Take the back panels. 27 and 26. First 27 and then 26 on top. Ensure that all mini pieces are tightened before lifting the cabinet on top of the wardrobe. Take the doors and start fixing the doors. Fix the doors. Cabinet. This cabinet can be used separately from the wardrobe also. This loft box is designed as if like you can get the cabinet separately on the floor too. And then the skirting will come on the bottom. Will go as per the plan. This will be kept on the top. You can use it as a separate cabinet on the bottom, and then you can use it on the loft also. Let us see how the loft cabinet is being made. 2 people are required for this. Take enough care. Don't have the children nearby. Now fix the screws from or align the hinges so that the gap will be proper. Already like shown how it was done earlier. The hinges screw has to be fixed for alignment. The loft and wardrobe has to be connected with screws from bottom so that the loft won't fall apart. The assembly is now complete. Back panel also given 17 mm thickness, so which will give you long life and also sturdiness for the cabinet. All other brands use 3 mm or 6 mm, 9 mm, but here 17 mm, the same wall thickness board is used for the back sheet also, even for the loft. And loft can be used separately also. Thank you.